Hey guys, hello and welcome to Zen Innovation. Guys, in the last video we talked about each and every possible feature of this LG Dual Inverter air conditioner remote control. And in that video I told you that there are two particular features which will be getting some special treatment. And why so? Guys, these particular functions are known as sleep mode and timer. And it is very valid for consumers to have confusion regarding these modes because they appear to be behaving very similarly. So in this particular video we are going to take a live demonstration of these features. And guys, make sure to watch this video entirely without skipping, because often I get comments on my channel that sir, the timer feature on my AC is simply not working. The AC does not turn on at a designated timing, or it does not turn off when needed. The timer feature is simply failing on my air conditioner. So I am also going to give you a proper remedy for this situation. Guys, the AC which we are going to try out today for demonstration is a LG 4-star 2021 dual inverter model. If you want to check the prices on this AC or even buy it off, then affiliate links are waiting for you in description below. Please go ahead and check it out. So let's go towards the AC and let's very nicely understand both of these features. Guys, first we are going to talk about the timer button. You can see this over here. But before using this timer function, guys, I highly suggest that you need to make sure that your clock setting is absolutely correct. Because if the clock setting is not correct, then these functions won't make any sense. And for setting this clock, I have a dedicated video over here in the corner or in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out. Because setting clock in these particular LG remote controls is a little bit complicated. So let's move to the timer function first. So this is the timer button, and when we press it once, we can see that on has started blinking. Now what is the meaning of this blink? Guys, whenever the value is blinking, it means that this is asking. So blinking is asking. Isn't that good? Right. So here it is asking that on, shall we turn on the AC at this particular time? If you are satisfied with it, you can hit this set button, and if you want to change the time, you can use these keys over here. Like, no, I don't want to start the AC at 6 p.m. but I want to start it at 7 p.m. So you can do it like that and hit the set button over here, and here the clock is back to the current time and this on symbol has become stable. So the AC will turn on at whatever the time we did set. Let's go to the off function. So here, when we press it once, it went to the on function. We have already set this. We don't need to change that. And oh yeah, of course, if you want to change it, if you want to do it like, no, my mood has changed and I don't want the AC to turn on at 7 p.m. but I want to turn it on sooner. So you can change the time like this, or you can increase the time. It works both ways. So say if you want to start the AC at 6:30, we can do it like this. Just press set and you can update the timings. So that was regarding the on function. And when this thing is blinking, if we press this button once again, the timer button, see, the off function started blinking. Means it's asking that do you want to turn off the AC at 8 p.m. right? So if you are satisfied with this value, you can press set, and now the off function is also stable, which means that on timing as well as off timing are now set inside the AC, and it will turn on and off according to the timings. Say if I want to change the timing of the off function, then we can do it. So let's go to the timer by pressing this one. On has started blinking. I am satisfied with this. I don't want to change this. So I'll press this button once again, the timer button, and here the off has started blinking. So we can use these keys to change the time. Say like, oh, I want to turn off the AC at 8:30 now, right? So I change the timing and again I hit the set button, and now the AC will turn off at 8:30. And guys, you need to make sure that you have to use these particular keys, not these ones over here. Only these buttons will work for changing the time. Alright. Now let's say that you manually turned on the AC and you want to remove this particular function. So how can you remove these particular functions? So first we will hit the timer key like this. It will start blinking. And here what we'll do is, rather than trying to change anything, we'll simply hit this set cancel key, and here we can see that the on setting has been removed. Now say if I don't want to turn my AC off, I want to remove this thing as well. So the procedure is again similar. We go to the timer menu. First the on will start blinking. We don't need to change anything over here. We'll hit this timer key once again. So now off has started blinking, and we'll simply go to the set cancel key, which cancels this feature, and that is how you remove the timer. Now let's go ahead and take a small demo of this timer feature, and let's see how in reality it actually works. Guys, let me give you a fun fact. And currently, as we can see, the AC is off, and even in this off state we can use the timer function and set it up. So let's do that and have a live demo of the timer function. So the time currently is 6:16. Let's go over here and set the on timer. So the AC will be turning on at 6:20 automatically. So let's set it using this one. Let's again go into the timer menu and let's go into the off section, and the AC should be turning off at 6:30 p.m. So let's set that as well. And while this is happening, there are 3 minutes to go. Let me give you a golden tip. Now I get a lot of comments that, sir, the timer function on my AC is not working. I have set the time at so and so, but the AC does not turn on or off. And guys, the common mistake here is that whenever we are setting these features, the remote is actually not pointing towards the AC. So whenever you are setting up your timer or your functions, make sure that the IR blaster of this remote is directly pointing towards the AC indoor unit. I suggest you place your remote on a table or something like that, so that the rays coming from this remote can transfer all the timing and information to your AC indoor unit. Because without doing so, your timer function will fail, as the information from this remote will not get transferred to the AC. So there are 2 minutes to go. Let me fast forward this and you guys enjoy this music. Guys, so the AC just turned on, and one good feature I liked is that it does not make that ding sound when turning on. So say if you have children asleep in the room, then the ding sound or the beep will not disturb them. It turns on very silently. So very good attention to detail paid by LG over here. Guys, the time is 6:29 p.m. and the air conditioner should turn off any minute now. And just like that, guys, the AC just shut down. Now let's move on to the next function. Guys, so that was it regarding the timer. Now let's come to the sleep feature. So here we can see that sleep has this cute little moon which is trying to sleep over here, and we can press it, and here again this thing has started blinking. And if you remember, blinking is asking. So what is this cute little moon trying to ask? That is your sleep going to be for 1 hour. So what we can do is use these keys again and change the timing. Let's say I want to sleep for 4 hours. So I can do that over here, and I can hit the set cancel button. And now this cute little moon has become stable, which means that AC will turn off after 4 hours. And let's say that someday, oh, I'm feeling very lazy. Who sleeps for 4 hours? I want to sleep for 6 hours, right? So you can also change that. So we can go to the sleep button over here. 4 hours is what we set last time, but we can increase or decrease it using these keys. And say if you want to sleep for 6 hours, you can set it here. It goes all the way up to 7 hours. That is the maximum, and the minimum is 1 hour. Even on the AC display, you can actually see what settings we are doing over here. So I'll quickly set 6 hours and I'll press this set cancel button. And on the AC display, you can see 6H, that is the 6 hours have been set. If you want to remove this sleep function, then you can simply go to sleep. And without trying to change anything, so without touching these keys, we can simply go to the set cancel button, and that removes the duty of this little moon, so that the sleep function has now been disabled. And I'm pretty sure that some of you might be thinking that, sir, the sleep function turns the AC off after particular hours. Isn't that the same as timer function? Because the timer is also turning the AC on and off. So what is different? Guys, there's a very important difference with sleep function. So let me invite this little friend Moon over here so that I can explain it to you. Right. Guys, what happens is that when we sleep, the energy usage of our body is down, which means that our activity is down, and hence we do not need as much cooling. So say if you have been feeling comfortable at 20 degrees Celsius when you are awake, after you fall asleep, this might actually feel very cold for you. So what we need to do is we constantly need to wake up and adjust the temperature manually like so. Oh, and that disturbs the sleep, right? So the very important difference between sleep feature and the timer feature is that the sleep feature also plays with your temperatures automatically without you needing to wake up. So what is going to happen is that if you started your sleep journey at 22 degrees Celsius, then after half an hour, that is after 30 minutes, it is going to automatically raise your temperature by 1 degree. So this will become 23 now. And after another half an hour, it will raise the temperature once again by 1 degree. So this will finally become 24 degrees Celsius. So the over a course of 1 hour, that is in two different batches, half hour, 1 degree, another half hour, again 1 degree. So total of 2 degrees will increase over here. So if you started your sleep journey at 22, after 1 hour it will be at 24. And this is what actually helps you get a relaxing sleep and you wake up feeling refreshed without feeling too cold. So that is the major difference between sleep mode and timer mode. What timer mode is do, it will not mess up with your temperature or any other settings. It will simply turn the AC on or off. And the sleep mode will actually optimize the temperature every half hour. So first half hour 1 degree, second half hour 1 degree, and then after these two stages it is going to continue, right? So if you are sleeping for say 3 hours, and after the 1 hour, first hour, that is 2 batches of half hour, the temperature will be up at by 2 degrees, that will be 24, and then it will continue that 24 degree journey throughout the setting. So if your journey is of 3 hours, then after 3 hours it will directly turn off like that. So that is how the stages work. So guys, that was it for this little video guys. I hope you liked it, and if you're interested in knowing more about air conditioners, then there's this giant playlist waiting for you in description below where you can go ahead and learn more about air conditioners. And if you want to buy this LG Dual Inverter AC, then the link is also waiting for you in description below. Make sure to go ahead and check it out. Take care and have a nice day guys. Guys, welcome to extra content, and I have this bonus little demonstration for you. So first let's turn on these features. So I'm going to turn on the sleep function very quickly. I'm going to start the timer. So the on timer is currently set. Let's again set the off timer. And let's say that you want to disable all of them with the stroke of a button. Then what can you do is, you don't need to use these. Simply go to the set cancel button and just press it once. And these guys will be gone, just like that. Isn't it nice guys?